Actually, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Quick jog lang at sasamantalahin ko na yung walang araw. Pero mas mainam para sa akin yung may araw. Parang mas healthy siya. Kaso inubutan na ako ng probably inubutan din ako bukas ng ganitong oras or mas late. So, let's see. Super bare here. Walang katao-tao. My face is so messy. It's very much assurance. Ilan lang yung mga nagja-jog. Medyo masakit na rin sa mata yung araw. Not come anytime soon. Mas mainit na sa katawan, so might while it lasts. Ihina ako sobra, pero hindi ako pinahado ni Kuya dito sa ER. So I went in Nomo Coffee Project para makapag-CR. So ibig sabihin wala silang CR dito. We don't know. We don't know, right? It's good to jog without a lot of people kasi hindi ka madadapa or what. Kaso wala namang araw. Wala namang sustansyang dumadapo sa katawan. And pagpatak ng ganitong oras, 9 or 10, medyo harmful na yung araw. So, lubusin ko na. Ay, naman ang tao. Lubusin ko na to. Hindi na ako mag-filter. Okay. So, earlier today, actually gabi na yun. I mean, madaling araw. So, I was with the caller. She was crazily mad. And I haven't felt as calm when someone was shouting at me. Pero sa call so it's common as ito. So, she was shouting. She was stressed kasi yung credit card approval niya hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin naayos. And it was her poor document that she sent in. The graphics was not well. Ngayon ibang ahente kasi pinakancel na. So, usually what client sends kapag ID verification, address proof. Ayun. So, what client usually sends kapag so what clients usually send kapag proof of address and birth is driver's license. Me, as someone who has a driver's license, I can see kasi if a driver's license is just tampered or what. Kasi sa US, once they apply something in, uso na yung parang fraud. Kahit dito rin naman sa atin. So, nagagawa na rin kasi sa AI. So, we should, kami na fraud prevention specialist, we double check yung mga documents that were sent over to us. So, yung, ano nga, it seems legit, pero kasi it looks tampered, okay, so it looks tampered sa iba. Pero meron na kasi ako mga clients na ako na nag-approve kasi sariling discretion naman eh. Pero kasi I can see that the ID is valid. It's just that someone could have canceled the application kasi they just don't know how or kung ano na ba talaga yung nasa papel. And they could have not have a driver's license. Mga ganung bagay. Kaya nila cancel. We don't really know. So, judgment ko is okay naman. Kaso kasi sa kanya, kasi meron mga pictures na nasisend kapag nasisend naman ng maayos. It's clear. The graphics is good. Talagang pinag-effortan yung document. Ayun, the graphics looks great. Talagang inanuhan ng pinag-effortan yung pa-xerox, photocopy. So, to me, that's a good one. Sabi ko sa kanya, you know, if you have a good camera, take a photo na lang ng maayos na clear copy ng ID. Tapos ang gusto ko nga rin sabihin is, kasi sa bank, diba, lagi sila nagpapasign ng 3 signatories mo. So, yung iba nga pinapanotarize nila eh. Pag ganun, malamang, totoo na yun. Kasi meron ng notaryo sa US, business whatever. Tapos meron pang 3 signatory ng client. So, this document is real. Diba? Kasi medyo nahihiya ako mag-video. So, yun nga, sariling discretion. Tapos, sariling lang discretion ng client ay ng specialist. Pero sa akin, if it looks clear, as in yung color pati it's balance, as in parang sinerox talaga yung passport ng maayos, yung driver's license ng maayos, then that's a good approval ng application. So, goods to sa akin. Malas na lang pumunta sa ibang specialist because they're kind of strict talaga. And hindi mo rin kasi masasabi na, I got this one call, sabi ng client. Kasi mabilis talaga ako mag-approve eh. And kapag nakita kong ano na siya, good credit standing talaga, approve agad to sa akin. So, yun. Where was it? Ako lang ang bago dito ano na to kasi ilog yan. So, merong client na tumawag sa akin. Natanggap ko yung call niya. Tapos sabi niya, medyo bata siya, around 2,000. Sabi niya, you know what? My friend referred you to me. Tapos sabi ko, there's so many Abby around the I could have helped your friend, but then there's so many Abby. Tapos bakit siya. Pero kasi good for approved din talaga yung application niya. And you're gonna see talaga dun sa queues and reviews, the past documents. Yun talaga yung ano.
Okay guys.
Okay. So I'm gonna unbox something. It's for Sophie. Kasi ginawa niya lang scratch tong sa sopa. So I just finished mamalengke magpagas for the next week para this later and tomorrow and on Sunday morning makapag-jogging kami ni JC. So I finished all of my errands today. Thank God I still have the budget. And later, it's a cut scratcher. Ang mahal kasi sobrang malaki. Like, kasi may stairs. 1,000 kasi siya. Hindi yung kasya sa ko. SPay ko. I mean, it's a bit impractical to buy kasi meron naman yung mas maliit eh. And hindi naman din kaano ganun si Sophie sa mga ganung bagay. Then si Zoro, binilan ko lang din para meron din siyang pang scratch niya. Okay, I'm gonna show it after ko dito. Sophie. Oh my gosh. What's that? What's that? Oh my god. What's this? Yan lang pala. Oh my god. How cute. What's that, huh? Getting bond up this girl, oh. Pero low, lang, tong. Buti nga hindi masyado maselan tong person na to. Kasi low, lang talaga, low key lang talaga yung niya. Pakain sa kanya. Buti nga, siya. At minsan, she would eat some treats and mga high budget at na food. But madalas, it's like table food and fish. Kind of bond that nga niya. Sophie, look. Sobrang sabaw ko kanina. Palik ko pala yung motor. And I was blasting my music out. Hindi ko napansin na palik ko pala siya to where I was about to liko. So, buti nila may konti pang space para pag-forward siya. Diyan na. Tataho muna ako.
So usually, may mga bangko na pag nagpapautang sila, automatic nag-o-offer para sa sarili niya, MRI. Hindi insurance ito para sa condo. Insurance ito para sa owner ng component condo. So this one would be the best for them. Abby, you have a question? Yes. Info MRI will get it. Okay. That's good. Yes. You are correct. Okay, let's talk about coverages, no? So here,
campaign video yan eh, kaya ano, I don't care. What? Oh, I took a video. Okay. Wow, ang taas. We're doing campaign videos. Hindi kayo makalabas sa parking. Saan tayo makakalabas dyan? Oh, see? Nagka-campaign video nga sila, hindi tayo makalabas. Pag lumabas tayo. Pag lumabas tayo, kasama tayo sa video. Eh, bayad yung ginagawa nila. Stasyon. Gusto mo ano sila campaign video? Ayun, tingnan mo. Woo! Oh! 4,000 yun. Ano yan? 10,000 yan. Promotional. Baka 50,000 yan. Wala na. Doon na lahat napunta ng pampondo sa ano. Sa promotional. Promotional pa lang. Ubus na ang pondo. Woo! Juicy. Hindi ko matandaan kung paano ginagawa nila. Yung mga prinsipe at prinsesa nasa kotse lang. Ayun, nasa trono nila. Okay, bye-bye.